Juka.
Holy cow, right off the bat. Better?
Yes, believe it or not.
Oh, it looks like it. Persistence pays off. Maybe a little to the left, not bad there.
Not as bad as it was.
Those other ones were tight circles it was pulling.
Yeah, I know.
What channel are you on, Rick? No, you're on,
yeah.
right.
2.4. Maybe break my sunglasses out. Sun's starting to come out.
Break the glasses out if you feel like you have to, because it's hard to see. There's white clouds. White clouds put a stain on your eye versus the blue one, or the blue sky. Third circle.
Trying to. What's he got? The axe? This thing's just weird. Only thing I can do is try and tilt up it.
Here, let me hit that landing gear. Prop saver though when you put that landing gear on there.
Did I take this prop or did it come that way?
Usually we just do them without the landing gear
No,
on.
no, I said, did I take this prop or did I come that way? I'd like to get the swing or something. Came that way from the back.
Nice one, man. Nice one.
It's alive.